head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
Hi, I'm Tony from Never Drink Ordinary. Today we're going to go over one of the most commonly used syrups in cocktails. It's called a sugar syrup or a simple syrup. There's two different methods of making the simple syrup. It's either by weight or by volume. So you could do 100 grams and 100 grams of sugar and water, or you could do 100 mils of water and 100 mils of sugar. Water and sugar have a very similar specific density, so that's why you can use either way. We're gonna go with doing a by weight. So when we're making a recipe, we wanna make sure that you have a recipe that you can easily replicate, especially when you start adding like spices, herbs, and other flavors to it. We wanna make sure that you can use it at home. So first off, we're gonna get our pot. Then we're gonna turn on a scale. We're gonna zero it out. Perfect. Then we're gonna get some water. We're gonna make 300 milliliters or 300 grams of syrup, which will make about 10 cocktails. So first off, I'm gonna pour 150 grams of water. So I zeroed out my pot, and I'm gonna get as close to 150 as you can. All right, I'm 165. So we're gonna match that up with 165 grams of fine sugar, which equals 330 as a total weight. Extremely precise. All right, then you're gonna go to the stove. You're gonna turn on the heat. Give it a quick little stir to make sure the sugar doesn't stick to the bottom. And as soon as it either dissolves or starts to boil, you're gonna turn it off immediately because you've already got the right amount of sugar and water ratio. And now that it's come to a boil, you can turn off the heat, take it off, and let it cool down. All right, now that your simple syrup is cooled down, you can take any kind of food safe container to store your simple syrup in. We're using a maple syrup bottle. You're gonna take your funnel, pop it open, and slowly pour it in. There you go. Now your simple syrup will last for about a month, maybe a little bit longer in the fridge. Just want to make sure that you label it and date it. So I'm just going to write simple syrup and our date. And there you go, you can put it in the fridge and it's ready for your whiskey sours, your gin Collins, your margaritas. Thank you so much.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.